Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be updating the program that we wrote or that we had in video C++34 where we will be using a pointer to access elements of an array. So we've already got an array of size 3 and a pointer that points to that array, and I'm just going to delete all of this, we don't need it. And we've got some values in our array. So our first index has got the value 12, and our second index has got the value 22, and the third index has got the value 32. Now instead of printing or hard coding the indices like this and printing out their values, we can use the array, we can use the pointer to print out the values of the array. So so let's declare, or let's create a for loop. Integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, because we've got 3 elements in our array. And here, all we need to do is see out that value. But if you remember, the pointer will hold, or will point to the memory address of the first element in the array. So to be able to print out different values, because otherwise it's only going to print 12 3 times, and so that it would print the value at index 1 and 2, all we need to do is increment the value of our pointer by 1, just like that. So let's compile, and let's run. And so we get our values 12, 22, and 32. And so if I actually comment out this line, let me show you what we get. We will only get 12 3 times, because the pointer by default will just point to the first element of the array. So when we increment that, it will go to the next element and display the results correctly. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in future ones.